guys, in this video I'm going to show how to edit a video using VSDC Video Editor. And now I'm going to open the VSDC Video Editor. So actually this is pretty easy and freeware, so you can edit as much as you want and you can upload it to YouTube or whatever platform you need. So first we need to click on blank project and then give the project title whatever you want. I'm going to give sample videos, and then authors and everything will be present automatically, or else you can give it. And we have resolutions of up to 16 or 17 pixels. I'm going to give 16:9, and FPS is 30 FPS. And remaining features you can change whatever way you want, and then you can give finish. Then the panel will appear. Now we can add the videos on the text, images, whatever you want. So first I'm going to add a video. I have downloaded a sample video and I'm going to open it. So it will be asking from cursor position or from scene begin, whatever point you want. All these features will have major impact while editing multiple videos, but now we are editing only single videos, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to preview. So in this you can see preview is 480p. I'm going to give original quality, so 720p it will come. So you can see the quality is very much amazing. So next I'm going to add an image. So for that I'm going to add an image from my logo. So where to add, I'm going to give from scene begin, or I can give from cursor begin, but I'm going to give from scene begin, and I'm going to compress it to the right and bottom. So you can see it is somewhat bigger, so I'm going to minimize it a little bit. So I'm going to minimize it, and you can minimize whatever, you can edit whatever image you want. So it is pretty much same. So now I'm going to export it, and you can give the name as whatever you want in sample videos, and you can have many export features. I'm going to give to web and for YouTube, so you can use like MP4 or whatever I want. So first, but I'm giving YouTube. So now I'm going to give 1080p full HD, but you can give whatever quality you want, and you can see input file and output file informations. And I'm converting it 1280 into 1920 into 1080p in high quality. So I'm going to convert a low quality video into high quality video. Here we have preview option. While exporting it will be previewing, and then if you don't want, you can uncheck that, so that the process will be faster. Now it's time to complete, and I'm going to show you the output file. I'm going to open the file where it is stored, and see the sample is ready, getting ready. I'm going to wait for the completion, and now it's completed. So now I'm going to play the sample video, and the properties you can see 256 MB, 1080p video, and the export is complete, and you can see the final video. Thanks.